Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. And today in this video, we will see how to animate cursor in web page. So let's dive into the code. So if you see the HTML part of our code, it's just the normal HTML syntax with some span tags, and we have specified classes for these tags. The logic of our code relies mostly on the classes that we use. The class names are given styles, and JavaScript content is written using the class selectors, and the DOM is optimized. So the code will be available for you through the link in the description. I'm also just giving a rough overview of the code in this video. We have seen the CSS part of our code. So let's move to the JavaScript part of the code. So initially what we do is that we select the tags, the span tags with the class using the class selectors. And then we are applying the style based on the logic using the events. This code will also be available through the link in the description. So let's move to the web page. So on going to the site, if you see when I move the cursor into the browser, you'll be able to see an animated cursor following the cursor, right? The virtual cursor that appears on the web page is nothing but the code, the CSS style and JavaScript code that we have written in our code base. So if you see the code base, when I hover the mouse over the text, then we have added an event listener which will be adding this class cursor hover to the element. So in the CSS, you will be able to find this cursor hover, which gives the style defining the transition of the cursor. So we are setting a border, and we are also increasing the size of the cursor. That is the virtual cursor that we have. So let's move to the browser and see how the cursor reacts when we move over the text. So on hover, you are able to see the size is increased, and that is also a black border around the cursor. So this code will be available through the link in the description. Do like, share, and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.